Hello, everyone. We are back with another story. Today's story is Nat's Cat. This is the fast version. Are you ready? Let's go. So, guys, I want you just to listen on how I read this story, how my voice goes up and then my voice goes down, how my voice goes slow and how my voice goes fast. Okay? This way, you learn to speak normally and not like a robot. Okay? Sit back, watch the video, listen carefully. Are you ready? Let's go. Nat liked to sit on the mat with his fat cat. The fat cat liked to nap on Nat's lap. Page 2. If the fat cat wanted a pat, he would tap Nat. Nat would pat him. Page 3. Nat was on the mat with his cat. They saw a rat in a cap. Page 4. Get the rat, Nat said to his cat. The fat cat ran after the rat. Page 5. Stop it, cat, said Meg. Do not run after my rat. This rat is my pet. Page 6. Meg sat on a mat. The rat got in a cap. The rat sat in the cap on Meg's lap. Page 7. The rat and the cat had a nap. Very good, everyone. See you later. Oh, yeah.